Here is how to add games in NVIDIA App. So first, if you don't have NVIDIA App, you can basically open the browser and search for NVIDIA App. Click on the first link and then click on download now and download and install the NVIDIA App. Now you can simply open NVIDIA App, search for it, and then click it to open the NVIDIA App. And then we will need to go to settings, and then you will see games and apps, and you will simply need to press on scan now and then wait for it to scan for apps and games on your PC. Now once the scan is completed, it should detect your games in here, and if it's not detecting specific games, you can simply click on view and modify for the scan locations in here, and then click on add. It should bring up this window, and then simply you'll need to select where you installed your games that are not being detected here. For example, might be on a different drive. So you can simply click this PC and, for example, E in here. Then select folder. And now you can simply close this and press scan now again and wait for it to scan and find the games or apps. You can also be more specific and add the path to the game install folder directly and scan again, and that should find the games faster. Now, if this approach is not working, what you can do is uninstall the NVIDIA app and then reinstall it again, and that should generally fix the problem. And if you click on this link right here, it will bring a browser page and it will show you all the supported games by NVIDIA or the NVIDIA app. And make sure the game you're trying to add is in this list. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.